Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. You can see the couple of watches. Difference in the price 10 times. Addiesdive price around $70 right now, and Hamilton around 700. Looks similar, but they have a difference. Let's see closely. On the left side, Addiesdive model AD2048, and on the right side, Hamilton Khaki field H70455133. It's 38 millimeters version. The worst around 17.1. Currently I use them both around 1 month. I want to say that Chinese version is really good. This watch has this one. For adjusting, you should unscrew the crown, but in the Hamilton there is no any such functions like in this watch, because of less water resistance. In Khaki field has around 100 meters, and Addiesdive 200 meters. This watch Addiesdive has NH35 Seiko mechanism. Hamilton has Swiss made H10. Now let's compare in size. 39, 38.9, 48.6, 12. Addiesdive Khaki field 38, 47, 11. On the opposite side, the metal cover, and this watch has glass. Let's test the synthetic sapphire. The same, but on the opposite side it's usual glass. 126 Addiesdive and Hamilton 124, almost the same. On the left side Addiesdive watches, on the right side Hamilton. The Lume is really nice on both watches. Let's look how it looks on my wrist. Which one is the best? You can write in the comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.